कभी सोचा है how you chat with friends miles away or play games with people worldwide?
Socho, आपकी favorite online games. How do they connect you with friends all over the world?
Well, the answer is ICT. Think of it like a super fast mail service for all your data. But ICT isn't just for fun and games. चलें देखते हैं how it helps businesses get ahead. First, companies collect data, like what you love to buy. Pair, they analyze it to make smarter choices.
This helps them work faster and keep customers happy. और जब customers happy होते हैं, businesses grow.
Okay, but it's not just for big companies. Let's talk about your daily ICT superpowers. For one, it's eco-friendly, so less paper. Plus, it makes learning and teaching way more interesting. See, our world basically runs on this technology now for almost everything we do every day. You can connect with teachers online or दुनिया भर में नए दोस्त बना सकते हैं.
So cool, right?
But with all this great power, atehen some great challenges. Let's look at the downsides.
The biggest risk? Cyber attacks. So Cho, what if someone hacks your favorite game and steals your progress? Plus, you have to watch out for misleading info. And remember, not everyone everywhere has access to it. So, here's the full picture. ICT has amazing advantages, but we have to know the risks too.
All right, time for a super quick recap. Let's go over the main points one more time.
First up, ICT helps businesses use data to make smarter decisions, which helps them grow.
Second, ये हमारी daily lives को आसान बनाता है, from learning to connecting with people. And finally, we have to use it safely. हमेशा risks का ख्याल रखें. That's key.
So now you know its power. The real question is, how will you use ICT responsibly?